In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change booking hours in SimplyBook. Whether you need to update your availability or adjust the hours for a new schedule, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and simply. First, you need to log into your SimplyBook admin account. This is your main hub where you'll have access to all the settings you need to manage your services. If you're not already familiar with the SimplyBook platform, don't worry, it's designed to be user-friendly, helping you manage your bookings with ease. Once logged in, look over to the left menu and find the Manage section. Clicking on Services under this section is your next step. This area of the platform is where all your current services are listed. You'll be able to see everything you must have set up and the details for each service. Now, carefully select the service whose booking hours you want to change. It's crucial to choose the correct service, especially if you manage multiple ones. After clicking on the service, you'll see more detailed options. Look for the service schedule option and click it. This is the part of the menu that controls when clients can book your service. The service schedule is key to tailoring your availability according to your needs and ensuring your calendar aligns with your operational hours. Here, you'll find the option to adjust the available booking hours. Take your time to review your new hours carefully. Make sure they fit your weekly schedule and remember that these changes will impact your client bookings directly. It's important that your availability reflects any changes in your personal or business schedule accurately. After adjusting the hours to your preference, take a moment to double check everything. Ensuring that the hours are correct will save you any hassle of needing to revise them later on or confusing clients with incorrect time slots. Once you've confirmed the changes, go ahead and click Save. This step finalizes all adjustments you've made. Saving is critical as it updates your schedule and ensures everything is applied properly. Remember, forgetting to save your changes means your updated booking hours won't take effect, so always double check that your updated schedule has been saved successfully. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the booking hours for your service in SimplyBook. This simple process helps you keep your availability up to date, providing seamless service to your clients. Always remember that staying on top of these details helps maintain professionalism and client satisfaction. If you ever need to make future changes, just repeat these steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made managing your booking hours on SimplyBook a bit easier.